Okay, we're adding another chicken house. I'm gonna put him right here. That little coop. See if we got any eggs today. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. 9 eggs. Okay, there's chicken house number 1 we've had for a few years. And this one is the new one. Let's go see what we're gonna do. Hey Rebel, you taking it easy in the sunshine? Okay. All right, I've got my nesting boxes up. About to put them up a new roost, and we got this over here for the little chicks. They're probably about 5 weeks old right now. We're going to put them in here very soon and let them grow up a little bit more in there, and with the heat light on, of course, and then turn them loose in here and let them grow up to be big chickens. And there's the other one. This is Cookie. Cookie, say hi. Okay, all done with the chicken roost. Now these little chicks is gonna need a chicken ladder for a little while. So we're gonna put them one right there till they get bigger, or they can just fly up there. But for right now, we're gonna give them a chicken ladder. Okay, got the chicken ladder up. What do you think? Helps the little guys and gals get up in there if they wanna. And then it'll be for the little girls growing up to lay their eggs. That's pleasing. Okay. Any suggestions? Gotta put light in here. I'm gonna put next, I'm gonna put dividers, be 4 in each. Okay, so I think that'll work out just fine. Cookie, you're no chicken. You're no chicken, and I better not catch you around here when there's chickens in here either. You chase them. I seen you. Yeah, you are a chicken chaser. You want to go for a ride? And for the roosters, I've got this for you. And next here we have the outhouse. And I believe I've got another pen I'm going to put up. I think I'm going to place it right in between them. And that door right there will turn them loose into the pen if I don't want to let them free range for the day. But my chickens do free range every day. I just come let them out in the morning, feed them, they eat, and they take off just wherever they want to go. Sometimes they're down at the chicken house, sometimes they're at the pole barn, sometimes they're at the pond. Wherever they want to go, they go. But in the evening, right before dark, they're all sitting up on their perch, waiting for me to come shut the door, or my wife, or my granddaughter. But they are good chickens. They do what they're supposed to do. They come back daily and lay their eggs. I gather them in the evening. And I do have my garden broke up. But it come a good rain here, actually a good storm yesterday. But it's ready to start on again as soon as it dries up. We love gardening, canning, freezing. We will be putting us up a farm stand at the end of the driveway. There's not one in this community, so I think it will do good. And they're peach trees, or apple trees, pear trees, blueberry bushes, muscadine vines. All's going to be blooming out soon. We got pecan trees, I think 6 of them. And we're going to add some more. But be showing you a little bit more around as we get into these things. Got this raised garden bed here. We got some good vegetables out there this last year. And this one here is a strawberry patch right here. And these others, there's a wild blackberry bush. And this one is a small lemon tree. Okay, I'll get back to you in a little bit. Okay, got the chicken roost up, got the chicken ladder up, got their nest ready. Just waiting on the chicks now. Come on, Rebel. Let's see what it looks like now. Hope to have everything done. Okay, I put fresh straw on the ground. The floor. I've got their feeder ready. Nest ready. Chicken ladder, chicken roost, little perches. Only thing I like is their water container. And I will put a light in here and a light outside out here. Put a light in here. And this should make for some happy chickens. You're not a chicken, I said. Cookie, come on. Okay. All right. Okay, there's my little bit of labor for chickens for one day. And it won't be but about a week. I will come put them out here and let them run around out here in the fenced area and let them get used to the inside. But I'll post that and let you see how they're doing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.